Good morning. This is Deb with Phenomenal Flowers. I've made these corsages for a going home service for this weekend. I only made 3 with the magnets on the back, which that raises the cost from about $8 to about $12 each, but these were done complimentary. It does have the magnet on the back, so it won't disturb a person's clothing. Again, this one has the 2 flowers, not a rose, so it's a little more cost effective. Oops. I need to push that up. Now, you can see the magnet on that one. I'll probably use a little bit more hot glue because I don't feel like wrestling with that. And then the last one, it has a circle around it. I'm going to share the sentimental meaning for that with that person. And the other 25 are in a bag. I'll show you in just a moment. I just put the 3 most important ones, or aka the ones with the magnets on the back, in just one bag. Normally I put them in a separate box for each one, but this is to be expected when you have so many to do. I'll show the rest in just a second. The rest will be attached with floral pins, sort of like for a prom. I'm sure I have at least 1 or 2 for each person, and here they are. Should be 25. The person whose service this is for has a very large family. They'll last as long as they do, and I did my very best. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.